Welcome to this trade recap today. As you can see, we had wonderful orb playout. I will show you the execution on the left. I entered from a 5-minute range high retest right here. Oh, where are we? What? Okay. I got my entry right here and went break even at, I think, like this high, something like that, just because I was pretty scared of that 5-minute gap, as you can see here. Super scary. We even rejected from it, and yeah, I have to say it was just pure luck to not get stopped out, because we have like probably 1 point to my entry, but I managed it somehow to stay calm and stay in. And then we had that 1 minute gap right here, which we inversed right here. Let's mark that out. This gap right here also got me super scared, because as you can see, we got a huge rejection from it, but later pushed through. Then got some pretty decent action and pushed nice to TP1. My second TP would have been hit by now, right here, just below that internal high. Let me show you that right here, and inside the current new week opening gap. But I trailed my stop. I think I closed one contract right here, one at this high after we pushed, and trailed the remaining two right to this low right here. You will see it in the execution on the left, how exactly I managed to trade. But that's the level where I had closed everything. Final TP would have been that high right here, pretty high, and I'm not really surprised we didn't hit it, but we catch like 150 points. Let's talk about the RR. Probably 5. Pretty decent. I like that. I saw many people entered already after that inversion right here. I think it was a 2-minute inversion. Right here. Yes. I thought about it, but while thinking about clicking the market buy button, we already like made that candle up to here, and I didn't like the entry, because we would have, let's say we had, yeah, that would have been a 100-point stop loss, something I definitely won't take. But with that retest, we got a 30, yeah, let's say 35-point stop is okay for me. And we, right at open, we manipulated into that 30-minute fair value gap. It's a 15-minute fair value gap also, as always. Right, I think that one, and as I said, 30-minute deeper, and also got rejection from OTE. While we were making that move, I wasn't sure if we would also tag that sell side right here, but as you can see, we either swept this low or these two equal lows. Got our push. I thought about entering off that 3-minute gap right here, or let's say the first presented, but yeah, as you can see, we never saw that first presented again. We made it, invested, and yeah, that's it. I'm The only thing that got me a bit worried about my entry is if we pull out the fib and look at the CE, we missed that. Oh, there's a fib already. We missed that, and so I was pretty concerned we would push down further, maybe even into that first presented, sweep that CE and push higher. That's why I was so careful with the 5-minute fair value gap. And on the higher time frame, we had this 4-hour inversion, respected that 4-hour gap, so the day was super clear bullish for me, and there was nothing really that concerned me. We wouldn't be, as you can see right here, it's pretty nice to see. We can see how this this volume imbalance right here also got filled. So I think a TP right above would have been possible as a final TP, but honestly, I think we're talking about maybe, let's say these are $200. I'm not willing to watch this accumulation and see us manipulate up down. Like, we respect that gap, we push down further, disrespect that gap, push down further. Even on the 5-minute we got an inversion here, but never made a lower low. So yeah, I didn't like that. We were too choppy for me to hold that trade even longer. Yeah, please write your thoughts in the comments, and I will link the strategy video right here in the right top corner. Thanks for watching.